When you see this beautiful star pattern, that's what people call hearts and arrows diamonds. That's just with this simple tool. Hello everyone, this is Gary Holloway again from Holloway Diamonds, and this time also representing idealscope.com, which is a company that I've been running for about 25 years selling diamond grading tools, especially cut grading tools. And I invented the Idealscope, the best tool for finding the best cut diamonds in the world. And you can have your very own version for free. So we will mail you this with instructions on how to use it. And we will show you how to pick a well-cut diamond. That's how you use it. Or if you're holding a ring up, hold the ring so that you're holding it in the tips of your fingers and you can get lots of light onto the card. Now, any light that comes from where the pink is on the card, that comes back to you through here, like on these images that I'm showing you, will tell you that the diamond is good. If the diamond is bad, like one of these stones, then you will be able to tell immediately. Essentially, you will find that most diamonds fail this test, especially fancy shaped diamonds, but most round diamonds fail this test, especially those that have the GIA Triple Excellent cut grade. Now, there's only one shop that I know of in all of Australia, possibly even the world, where every round brilliant cut diamond in that shop passes this test. So thank you, and please subscribe to us on YouTube. We also have stuff on Facebook. We will mail you this beautiful little Idealscope card.